Alright, so today we're going to talk about how to use Google Drive, and we're doing it without dogs, so that's fun. So the first thing you want to do is get to Google Drive. Google Drive is an online storage, basically it's an online storage site that you can use whenever you want to. You all have one automatically. So I'm already logged in over here as my school email, and I'm just going to search for Google Drive, and there it is. So I'm going to click on it. So I'm going to go to Google Drive. So you can see Holy Spirit Catholic Schools up there, which is great. There's already a folder called Classroom and a folder called Grade 6S because I'm in Grade 6S. And it has my assignment that you saw me do before. There's another dog who wants to participate in the video, but he is too big to sit on my knee. So I'm going to show you what you can do here. We're going to do this one video at a time. We're going to start with Google Documents, okay? So if I click New, I can make a new folder, first of all, if I want. So maybe I want to have a Social Studies folder. And there's the Social Studies folder. So I'm going to go into there. And now I want to put a document. Sorry, there is a dog fight going on. Hang on one second. Dog fights do not add to videos. Alright, so I'm going to click on New. And I'm going to create a document. So that's Google Docs. It's going to look really familiar because it's very similar to Microsoft Word. So here's just a couple quick things that you're going to want to know. So first of all, you can rename this file. See, right now it's called Untitled Document 1. That's not super useful. I can just click in it to rename, or I can go to File, Rename, either way. And I can call it Social Greek Assignment, or something better than that would be better. But so now it has a new name. And other things in File, I can copy it, I can throw it out. I can download it if I'm at home and I want to bring it into Microsoft Word. I can download this as a Word document. I can print it. Looks really similar to Microsoft Word. Edit has some things you'll be familiar with. Pasting, selecting, finding and replacing. View, you're mostly not going to mess around with too much. Insert, I can put in a table just like I could in Microsoft Word. Page numbers, all that kind of stuff. A lot of this you're not going to use. Image you might use, though. You might want to put in a picture. Format is mostly stuff that's up here, but you can do all the same stuff you could in Microsoft Word. Tools, here's your spell check, which many of you will want to use. There's a word count if your teacher tells you it has to be 300 words or something. But spelling is, of course, going to be the big one. And there's a couple other things, but mostly that's what we're messing with. So basically, this is a word processor. It's a document. I can type things in it. So I think I spelled something wrong because just like Microsoft Word, it gives me this. And just like Microsoft Word, if I right-click, it will give me the correct spelling. So there you go. Other things you can do in here, just like Microsoft Word again, I can bold, italicize, underline, change my text color. If I want to highlight, it's in the same place. See how it says text up here? If I click on highlight, then I can highlight it. Very nice. I can change my fonts. There's not as many fonts to choose from, but that is okay because you don't really need to use most of those fonts. I can change my size. Okay, all that kind of stuff. This is a Word document. It's really not anything that's unfamiliar. It's always saving for me automatically. So if I get out of here now, you'll see here's my file. And if I double click on it, it takes me right back in and I can keep working on it. So yeah, everything on here should be pretty familiar. There's links. We'll talk about comments later. I can change where it's aligned. Usually you'll want that to be left. I can make it numbered. All that stuff that you can do basically with a regular Word document you can do in Google Drive. So that is using Google Drive to create documents. It's pretty simple.